Alright guys, so today you're with me again and we at the Lampi Waterfall. So it seems Phang and very it's kind of like very national park for me. Look at this on the back of me, it's so very national park. So but let's see if there's anything can you show you guys today. And yeah, let's just say I got something out today and very quiet, not much people around. But it's just a lot of all my friends are talking too loud. But anyway, it's definitely very quiet here and very nice. I feel like here is more kind of like national park, if you call like a park or kind of like relaxed place to come here. Hi mom. Hi. We're just gonna go to see waterfall together and maybe have anything very interesting for you guys today. And I hope you guys are gonna like it because I really like our naturals and I really like it so much. So I hope to go up here and take some more video for you guys. Anywhere.
Hello guys, we are now Suspension Bridge and then we want to walk across to another way. Let's go. It's very nice waterfall, and if you see from here, see down there very clear water in.
Now we start to walk up to the waterfall upstairs and let's see anything interesting for you guys, but just go up and see about waterfall. Alright, let's go. Now we start to go down from waterfall. I hope you guys like it. I really like it because it's very natural or whatever. I hope that you guys also like it also. Alright guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe and see you guys next video. I hope you guys like it so much. And I hope you guys gonna come sometime for traveling in Lampi Waterfall because it's not much people from here. Maybe because it's low season also, but that's good because not many people and really quiet and it's really beautiful. The water cleans and everything look perfect here. And I hope that you guys like it so much and see you guys next video. Thank you so much. Good day, man. Bye.